Good morning, Olga Milko from Freedom Finance. Of course, the last years we saw a lot of growth in the ETF market. Do you see the same development with your clients? Do they invest a lot in ETFs?
Yeah, I think this financial instrument became more popular. Yes, as you say, probably because of the lots of new investors coming to the market, and I think the ETF is a very good product for most of them, to start with, because it's a very balanced, financial instrument, which includes probably a few issuers, and it's more or less balanced in terms of the risk. So I think this is something which is very good, and I'm sure that we're going to see lots of development in ETFs coming, new ETFs, and developing this. Actually, what I would like to see more is the European ETFs, because mainly the US market used to be more developed, like historically. But I'm a big fan of Europe, so I hope that European stock exchanges will promote the development of the new products.
Okay, and one last question: do you see the same behavior of investors per country? What we see, that German investors want to buy German stocks and Dutch people Dutch stocks. Do you see that the same?
Okay, of course, each country has its own mentality, and I see it very, very clearly, entering the new market. When we started with Greece, then we moved to Spain, and then we moved to France. I see a different, behavior from the side of the investors. But I think the general idea lies not in our mentality, but our, risk appetite and risk approach. So some people, they believe in European stocks and European markets, and of course with the recent IPOs of Porsche, for example, everyone knows this company, and the investors were very, very interested in getting those stocks and watching the company growing, and of course getting the returns on that. But still, America is very popular.
Okay, Olga Milko, thanks for the interview.
Thank you.